Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Happy ESL Learning and thank you for joining. Today we'll be talking about one of the easiest topics in English language. Of course, the second conditional. Would you like to learn more about it? So keep watching. First of all, we need to understand when we need to use it. Let me get you familiar with it. We use second conditional to talk about impossible or imaginary situations. In the future, for events that are impossible to happen, and in present, for situations that are not true. A bit confused? Don't worry, I was too. We will go over some examples. Allow me to advise as well that you can use if, when, as soon as, or in case of to start the condition. And here is another piece of information. If you want to create questions, then you must use the result to do so, meaning you will use would. And the simple past tense will always follow the condition, or if. Now, let's review the examples. If you didn't have the chance, what would you do? I would go to the bank if I were you. She wouldn't tell me if she were happy. If he were on vacation, he would go to his favorite country. Analyze the examples. See how the question is created with would and that the simple past is after if. I would like to remind you as well that you can alter the position of the sentences, and that won't affect the meaning. In order to know we got it, here are some sentences you can work on. Only 5, and you just have to put the verbs in past tense. I won't be helping you this time, but if you want a more personalized experience with me, you can find me on Facebook by Coach Veronica, Happy ESL Learning, and book a class. Do you know that if you want to be a great soccer player, you need to actually play? Or if you want to be a marvelous dancer, you have to practice your moves? Well, if you want to be a great English speaker, you have to speak. Therefore, I'm going to give you these icebreaker questions so you can practice with someone. Question number 1. What would you do if you had a superpower? Number 2. Where would you go if you could go anywhere right now? 3. What would your mom tell you if you didn't finish your school? And number 4. If you had the possibilities, would you help people in need? Alright champs, thank you for watching and I hope you liked this lesson. And if you did, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. See you later. I hope you can get happy ESL learning.